everyone, the next prompt on hashtag Steampunk Adventures, hosted by Polly at Polly's Pretties Coloring and Crafting. The two prompts today are door and hat. So I'm going to rip this paper. We need to do a little more. Okay. So let's ink this up. Okay, we'll glue this down. Oh no, I think it's starting to rain. Something's going on out there. Yeah, I think it's rain. Can you believe Wrinkles had the nerve to tell me he wanted a tip for all the hard work he does when I craft? I don't know, guys. You think I should tip him? I think he's fine and he doesn't need any tip. You let me know. Okay. So I'm going to make a door here. I already saved time and I put this paper together and I think I'm just going to glue it and then have it come up like this. Actually, it would have been better if I glued it down and then put the paper down. Oh well. I'm going to do this with hot glue. That's good. I'm going to hold it down for just a minute. So here's our little door that we're going to open. And I really wanted like a doorknob for it. And then I had some keyhole things, but I was like, do I really want to use it on this? Because I usually use them in certain journals. Like, I'll show you one. You know, I was like, do I really want to use that? Do I want to put that there and waste it? I don't know, guys. I'll set it aside. I'll set it aside. I don't know. I don't know if I want to use that. And then for in here, you know, let me see what I have for washi tape from. Let me see something over here, because I don't really like that showing, but yeah, I think I gotta put my washi tape somewhere else. I just had to move my big bin of journals to get to it. So this has to go somewhere else in the closet. But I don't have any steampunk washi, but I do have like this kind of like gold crackle. Oh crap, I thought it was gold crackle this whole time, but maybe it's actually flowers. If you look, some of it looks like a flower design. I don't know. But I think this is going to look better since I already put the paper down. I think this is going to look better than just that piece. Like if I just put, you know, I think it'll be look a little bit better. Guys, I always glue down my washi tape. I don't trust it. I do not trust it. Just to give it a little something, because I don't like how that looks. Just, you know. There we go. All right. Oh, let me sit down. Okay. So then I cut out this little lady, and she'll be dancing over there. If anyone is interested where I get these images, I have a ton of cut and collage books that I get on Amazon. Okay, so we'll put her there. She's dancing along. And then I also cut out like this little fan and a little hat. So maybe put like the hat there and then maybe a little fan. I think I'm going to do it like that. Let me see. Oops. And put the hat here. And then fan. I should have. I should have put her a tad higher. I don't really want that to be shown. Go here. Why did I cut out the fan? I don't know. Kind of just matched. And elements are 3, that's why. So, okay. All right. It's not too bad. And then, of course, let's add a little, let's add, how do I want to do this? Let me take that off. I think that's too much. I think that's too much of a glare. Oh, you still have a glare, huh? It's the way the light's on in this room. Let me push this desk. Let me see if this helps at all. Not really, huh? Right. Do I want to put 3 here? My last 3 before I go to the store to see if I can get some more. Do I just put one on her hat? Kind of big, huh? Alright. I know it's steampunk and all, but I feel like they're too big for her hat. And the only way this would look good is like if we had big one in the middle and then 2 small ones on the side. But I only have 2 bigger ones. See, so it's just, to me, that's not going to look right. So I'm going to leave it off for now. Let's see if during the weekend if I can pick up some more different sizes and stuff, because that's not going to look right. So right now we're going to just leave it like that for today. And guys, should we do it? I don't know. Let me know, because if I do this, you know, obviously I'll put the things over here. I'll put the fake screws. So, oh, and the other thing I could use too was, everyone knows I just went on that haul at Joann's, and I got these screw heads, right? The flat screw heads. But do I want to use it on this? Do you know what I mean? Like, if I went to the Dollar Tree and got those stickers, it's fine. But, like, this is good stuff, and do I really want to use it for this? I mean, do you ever get like that? You know, you got good stuff, but it's like, well, do you want to waste it on that? You know? So, I don't know. I don't know. All right, let me know if I should put the thing there. And I'll see what you guys think. I don't know. That's it for tonight. I just don't know anymore. Let me know if you ever get into that rut where you have these nice things, but it's like you say to yourself, do I want to use it on this? You know? And what the hell did you buy it for then? You know what I mean? But, you know, it's like, I don't know. Do I want to waste it on that project? So, that's where I'm at right now. So, guys, that's what I have for today. So, thanks for watching Happy Crafting, and I will catch you next time. Bye.